Today marks the 16th fast of Ramzan. Time is very passing very quick, and the blessing month is teaching us an important lesson. That lesson is purifying our heart. Every day we pray, we fast, and we read the Quran. But there is one question we should ask ourselves: is our heart becoming clean as well? What is the sickness of the heart? If the body becomes sick, our doctor can treat it. When? But when the heart becomes sick, on the remembrance of Allah can heal it. Some of the biggest diseases of the heart are jealousy, hatred, pride, anger. In these things live inside our heart. When our worship loses its true impact. Why did Ramzan come? Ramzan did not come only to make us stay hungry. Ramzan come to change us from the inside. When a person feels hunger, he understands the pain of the poor. When a person fasts, he learns to control his desire. This is the real purpose of Ramzan, a powerful lesson. Once a man came to the Prophet ﷺ and asked for advice. The ﷺ said, "Do not get angry." The man asked again, and the Prophet ﷺ repeated, "Do not anger." This shows us that anger can destroy any good deeds. Self reflection. The 16th fast of Ramzan moment to think. Have we forgiven someone? Have we helped someone in need? Have we sincerely asked Allah from forgiveness? If the answer is no, then start today. Become Allah is most merciful. Every day of Ramadan is an opportunity to clean our heart, to improve our lives, and to get closer to Allah. Let's make this dua. Oh Allah, purify our heart, accept our worship.